Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to find music on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the bottom right corner, as you can see, we have spotlights where you can check some videos. We have stories where you can check your stories with your friends. We have your camera, and in the bottom left corner, we have your location and your chats. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and find music on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you need to do is launch Snapchat on your device, whichever device you have. Go to the create page. And when you're in the create page or the photo page, as you can see, then what you need to do is go and click on the sound icon. So when you take a picture, you can see that you have a lot of options. So the sound icon is 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth option is the sound option. Then here you have a whole library of music. Use the search box available at the top of the page to look up a song title, artist, or theme. You also use the Snapchat's built-in Shazam to identify songs playing around your long pressing your camera screen when the song is playing. And you can use Snapchat built-in search feature to find and add songs to your snaps by typing in the name of the song you want to add or to your snap. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you found this video informative, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.